Also, today I'll be unboxing an HMD Barbie phone. Now, not much more to say about it, so let's get straight into it. So the presentation is like, and I have to say, pretty decent. Magnetic, nice. It's kind of hilarious how this is probably the most premium unboxing from HMD that I have seen, and it's for a relatively kind of, I would say almost a cheap device, but it's not necessarily that cheap. But yeah, it's cheapish considering it's, you know, running iOS instead of Android and just has like very budget components. But in any case, in here, just take that out, have a little bracelet or necklace, whatever that is. Get a case, front cover, right? Because these are, oh no, these are the same. So I think these are back covers for it, just two different styles. And then the phone itself. Lifting that up, we have a couple more things. We have a pink cable, so that's a type A to type C cable. That's pretty good. We got a Barbie microfiber cloth, nice, and some things that I can probably attach to this little guy right over here. Things like glasses. These are all made out of rubber, so they won't be breaking easily. Looks like ice cream, palm tree, and a little heart. This is roller skates. And then on the other side, just that back in here, we have battery. I will be needing that. And stickers, instructions, and just more instructions and more instructions. Yep, and basically that's all. So instructions, and that's about it. Just drop that back in here, plop that, and take a look at the device itself. You actually plop in the battery. Okay, I guess that will work. And sorry if you can hear the people outside the door. Peeling that off, we can now slap in our battery. Okay. Will it boot up? Oh, it is. So, going quickly over this.
Hi, Barbie.
Nice. Going quickly over the specifications right here, we have 1450 mAh battery, Unisec T107 processor, 512 megabytes of RAM. The display right here is a TFT LCD display, 2.8 inches, with a 21.9% screen to body ratio and a pixel density of 143 pixels per inch. And then at the front, we actually have barely visible cover display. I presume it's supposed to, act kind of like a mirror as well, so that's why it's so reflective. So this, I presume, is a double two-way mirror, basically. And one more thing, the device comes with 4 gigabytes of storage with expandable storage using a micro SD card, which you could faintly see when I popped off the back cover. And additionally, like I also mentioned, the device is running it's running iOS 3.1, so obviously you won't have access to all the Android apps and all that stuff, so that might be unfortunate. But anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.